This is what happens when you walk for 30 minutes every day. If you are someone who is looking for an easy and effective workout, then you are in the right place. Watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe to our channel Fitness Vault to learn more about such fitness videos and click the bell icon to stay updated. Now tell me, who doesn't want a simple workout routine instead of tough and heavy ones? Here I'm going to tell you about one such exercise, which is walking. Walking is simply easy, and you can walk whenever and wherever you are. So, all you need is a little time and motivation and, of course, a pair of shoes, then we are all set to start walking. Many of us ignore the fact that walking can actually help us in numerous ways. It can be great for our physical and mental health. So let me remind you of such amazing benefits walking can bring to your health journey. Let's get started. Walking offers us with a number of benefits irrespective of age, like kids, adults, and elderly people. Anybody can choose to add walking to their routine. Calorie burn. Here comes the first obvious benefit of walking, and that is weight loss by burning calories. As we all know, walking helps us with burning calories. The more number of steps means more number of calorie burn. But it depends on how you walk. Try not to walk with laziness. Develops immunity. The second benefit of walking is it boosts immunity in our bodies. Walking can help you with developing your immune system, which will help you fight any disease and keep you away from risks. It kills any kind of virus or bacteria entered into your body and keeps you safe. So, add walking to your daily routine and stay healthy. Maintain sugar levels. Here comes the third benefit of walking. It is always important to maintain your sugar levels. So, walking after eating helps you maintain your blood sugar level. You can walk anytime after having your breakfast or lunch or dinner, depending on your flexibility. Reduces joint pains. The fourth amazing benefit of walking is it helps you reduce your joint pains. Especially for people who are suffering from arthritis, walking is recommended as it helps them with pain and stiffness from arthritis. Keeps the bones healthy and flexible. Improves mood. Let's discuss the fifth benefit of walking. Sometimes we all just need a good walk. Just get out of the room and go for a walk. Either a solo walk or with company can make you feel much better. If you can wake up early, then going for a walk in the fresh air can keep you in a good mood throughout the day and makes you feel energized as well. Improves heart health. Walking is great for improving your heart health because by walking, you can improve your mood, which reduces your stress levels, thus making your heart rate better. So, walking is considered as one of the best exercises for heart health. Improves sleep quality. Any physical exercise can improve the quality of our sleep and decrease the time we take to sleep at night. So, walking will help people who struggle to fall asleep and be awake for many hours trying hard to sleep. Hence, increase the more number of steps and improve the quality of sleep. Increase lifespan. True, walking can provide you with a cardiorespiratory workout, which can help you increase your lifespan. So by simply walking, you can add more days to your lifespan, where brisk walking is always suggested as it is more effective in giving maximum benefits than slow and lazy walking. These are some amazing benefits of walking. So, now as you know them, I hope you all will include walking in your day to experience the results. Also, please make sure to like and subscribe for more such interesting videos. See you in my next video.